Hey guys! Welcome to Class 101. My name is Sorie Kim and I'll be your instructor for this course. And hopefully you guys already know, but this class will be covering how to sketch animals and design creatures with pen and ink. So before we get started, I just wanted to run through the curriculum with you guys. So first we'll be going through how to use the materials, and I'll be taking you through the basics of how to sketch directly with ink. In this class we actually won't be using any kinds of rulers, pencils, or erasers. And the reason being is to force you to take away the option of erasing or pressing Ctrl-C. So when we start to take that away, then we really have to start thinking about every single line that we're going to place down, and it forces you to be more intentional when you draw. And I know it might be a little bit uncomfortable at first, especially if you're a beginner or just new to sketching with the medium, but I promise you with time, it's going to really help you build that line confidence, and in the long run, it's going to give you a lot more freedom and actually help you draw faster. Next, we'll be covering some basic foundational skills, like how to break down complex subjects into basic forms, and lighting and rendering techniques, and freehanding perspective. Then we'll be doing a deep dive into animal anatomy, and learning the structure and functionality of these animals that we'll be sketching is going to help you convey that believability in your sketches, and it'll also be really helpful later on when we start to design our own creatures. Then we're going to be going through all the different types of animals like fish, birds, reptiles, and I'll be taking you through some tips to render out certain textures and things like posture and movement as well. And finally, this is where things get really exciting, because we're going to be moving from drawing from observation into designing from imagination. So we'll take everything that we learned so far in the course and use that visual library to not only draw existing animals, but to start designing our own creatures with a narrative. And at the end, I did want to touch briefly on stylization and how to find your own voice while you're sketching, because I think that's something that we're all trying to work on. And yeah, that's our curriculum. I'm really excited to get started, so let's do this, guys.